Well, happy birthday to Ranveer Singh, who turns a year older today. Well, it's Ranveer Singh's birthday and we'd like to wish him a happy birthday. Ranveer, of course, is in lockdown with his wife Deepika Padukone and I'm sure घर पे एक small celebration जरूर होगा, but he will remain socially distanced from his fans and colleagues this year. कोई बात नहीं रणवीर, I hope you know कि from every gully boy in this country आपके fans आपको ढेर सारा प्यार भेज रहे हैं and we hope you keep lifting the trophy of stardom in the years to come.
When I say gully, you say boy, gully, gully.
The versatile and super talented Ranveer is in lockdown with his beautiful and equally famous wife Deepika Padukone, who won't be able to have a nice big party or luxurious holiday this year, thanks to the pandemic playing spoil sport. But we are pretty sure कि उनकी प्यारी बीवी अपने हबी के लिए कुछ ना कुछ जरूर स्पेशल करेंगी. Wishes have poured in for the actor from friends and colleagues in the industry, and Ranveer, who swept the award season last year for his terrific performance in Gully Boy, has a lot to be happy about on his birthday. Though he has kept a low profile during the lockdown, Ranveer is usually the most energetic, larger-than-life personality in Bollywood, and उनके जन्मदिन पे we would like to take you through his fairy tale romance with the movies and his beautiful better half Deepika. दो आज वो बॉलीवुड के सबसे पॉपुलर और सक्सेसफुल सितारों में से एक है. रणवीर ने अपने ब्रेक पाने के लिए कई सालों तक स्ट्रगल किया. Starting off with theatre and then multiple auditions till he got his debut film Band Baja Barat. Though he did get noticed immediately, the big turning point in his life came जब गोलियों की रास लीला के बीच राम को अपनी लीला मिल गई.
रणवीर दीपिका बधाई शुभकामनाएं आपको.
जी हाँ, his collaboration with Sanjay Leela Bhansali catapulted Ranveer to stardom and also helped him find his soulmate, the gorgeous Deepika Padukone. Ram Leela, Bajirao Mastani, and then his epic performance as Khilji cemented Ranveer's position as an actor and a superstar. By doing films like Simba and Gully Boy one after the other, Ranveer has also established himself as one of the most versatile actors in the industry. But in सारे हिट फिल्म्स के बीच में रणवीर को सबसे बड़ी खुशी दीपिका से मिली when after 6 years of dating and wooing her with flowers and his loyalty, she finally agreed to be Mrs. Ranveer Singh.
About 6 months into dating, I knew that she was the one, and I wanted her to be mine for life. So I was very diligent about courting her and wooing her. So yes, every time she'd come, there would be flowers. And I would make ridiculously compressed trips to go and meet her if she was shooting somewhere else.
The two had a gorgeous destination wedding in Italy and are now a power couple in Bollywood who are the living example of opposites attract. The two will celebrate their second anniversary this year, and earlier this year they finally found time from their busy schedules to celebrate Valentine's Day in advance at a secret beach destination, जहां से दीपिका ने कुछ सुंदर फोटोज भी शेयर किए. A self-confessed 90s kid who loved Rambo and all things Bollywood, Ranveer is known for his out-of-the-box fashion sense and the perfect balance he has managed to find in his career between larger-than-life films and high-concept urban cinema, bridging the gap that usually divides actors between schools of filmmaking in Bollywood. दो इस साल उनकी फिल्म्स 83 और जयेश भाई जोरदार दोनों डीले हो गई है, सूर्यवंशी is a film where he has a special appearance. We hope कि by end of this year, रणवीर जो कपिल देव की तरह ऑलराउंडर है, सक्सेस की कई ट्रॉफीज को ऊंचा उठा पाए. हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन रणवीर. आपकी गली में सिर्फ और सिर्फ गुड लक आए.